How to delete an entry in Money Manager app. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an entry in the Money Manager app, whether it's a mistake or an expense you no longer want to track. Let's get into it. Launch the Money Manager app on your phone. You'll land on the main dashboard showing your daily or monthly transactions. Now tap on the calendar or scroll to find the date where the entry was recorded. Tap on it right here. Now once you are on the right date, browse through the list to find the transaction you want to delete. It could be an income or an expense. Tap directly on the entry you want to remove, like this. It will open the full transaction details. Now here you can see delete button. Tap it and tap on yes again. Now the entry will be permanently removed from your record and totals. If you deleted it by mistake, you can always re-enter the transaction manually. Just tap on this plus button again and enter it again. And that's it, you have just deleted a transaction in Money Manager. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.